Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to repair or sew your torn lace fronts or closures. So for this video, all I'll be needing is a fishing line and needle. In this video I used the bigger ones, but it is advisable to use the smaller ones as it is not going to make large holes on your net or your frontal. So when sewing your frontal, you want to make sure you don't knot the end of the thread because it's not even going to stay, as you're going to see. When you pull the thread through, it's not going to stay. I don't know if I'm making any sense. What you want to do is when you pull the first hook through the first loop, you put that under your thumb and you firmly hold that in place, and you just keep sewing. And when sewing, you want to make sure you don't tighten it too much, because then it is going to rip another hole on your lace. You can totally get away with using a bigger needle, but for beginners it is not advised. I couldn't find my small needle, so I had to go with this big one, and I was extremely careful. So you want to make sure you go for the smallest size of needles you can find. And yeah, if you are where you cannot get this thing, get a transparent thread. You can just get a fishing line, the smallest size. I'm sure it is a size 0.5 millimeter. Yeah, you can just get that where they sell beads and they do embroidery. I'm sure you can get that. And yeah, I'm just going to keep sewing, as you can see, and I don't pull it too tight. And yeah, you don't have to necessarily trash your lace fronts or your wig closures if they are torn. You can absolutely sew them. And if you found this video helpful, please share with your friends and your family members. It just might help somebody to save them from throwing away their torn lace frontals. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if you found this video helpful, and if you're new here, hello, you're welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and also turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time I upload a new video. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a sweet comment down below, and also share. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you watch through to the end so that you don't miss any important information.